Hello children, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In our previous video, you learnt about what are digraphs and sound of different digraphs. Today we are going to start reading words with different digraphs. Digraph CH says ch. Words with ch sound. B says b. ENN. CH ch. BNC bench. Repeat BNC bench. One more word of ch sound. CH ch. IN. Ch in chin. Ch in chin. Digraph CK says k. Words with k sound. D says d. U says a. CK k. D a k duck. D a k duck. One more word of k sound. L says l. O says o. CK k. L o k lock. L o k lock. Digraph GH says sound words. L says l. A U O. GH l a laugh. One more word of sound. R says r. O U A. GH r a rough. R a rough. Digraph NG says sound words. R says I says I. NG I ring. I ring. One more word of sound. SW sw. I says I. NG sw I swing. Sw I swing. Digraph NK says unk. Mostly this digraph is found in the end of the word. S says s. I says I. NK unk. S I sink. S I sink. T says t. A says a. NK ink. T a tank. T a tank. Digraph PH says f. PH f. O says o. T o to. F o to photo. F o to photo. One more word of sound. PH f. O says o. NE Here E is silent. F O phone. F O phone. Digraph SH says sh. Sh sound words. SH sh. I says I. P says p. Sh I p ship. Sh I p ship. One more word of sh sound. F says f. I says I. SH sh. F I sh fish. F I sh fish. Digraph WH says w. W sound words. WH w. A says a. L E L. W A L whale. W A L whale. WH w. Double E E. L says L. W E L wheel. W wheel. Digraph th has two sounds. Voiced sound of digraph th is the. F-A, fa. Th, the. E-R, father, 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 father. M-O, mo. Th, the. E-R, mother, 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 mother. Unvoiced sound of digraph th is th. Like in th, th. R says double e, e. E3, E3, th, th. I says e, n says th, thin, thin. I hope now it's clear to you what are digraphs. Children, now you can read words with digraph sound. But you need to practice these a lot till you are very comfortable reading all the digraph words. So do practice at your home. If it's not clear to you what are digraphs, then must watch our previous video about introduction of digraph.